Me, environment degrading, wasting, arrogant, reckless disaster.
But you can call me Edward.
Edward lives in a careless world on the dying earth.
But let's just focus on Edward.
A day in the life of Edward. His car is firing out carbon dioxide gas, CO2.
Oh no!
His factory is emitting tons of nitrous oxide. The shipping of these boxes use lots of CO2.
Oh no!
Air cooling systems release CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon.
Oh no!
Now there's no more trees to breathe in CO2.
Oh no!
Edward, why don't you ever recycle? Can't you see this pollution?
What does recycle mean?
And as for this,
Oh no!
the digestion of animals creates methane gas, CH4. And so one day, just kidding, but seriously.
Naturally, our atmosphere is a thin layer of gas. When solar radiation comes in, it is re-radiated as longer infrared rays. Some of it gets trapped, but some of it is also released, creating a balance. However, our atmosphere is thickening due to all the extra greenhouse gases. Now, when solar radiation comes in, it is re-radiated, trapped, and then trapped again, heating up the world in a process known as global warming. Since 1979, more than 20% of the polar ice cap has melted away. Scientists predict that by 2040, we won't even have a polar ice cap. Our poor snowmen, snow beasts, and polar bears won't have a home. They will become endangered. And without the North Pole, where would Santa's factory be? Think about all those poor children who won't get a gift. The melting ice is like a tap, and it's increasing our sea levels by over 200 feet if all the glaciers melt. World, cities will be drowned by water, such as in South America, across Africa, to Europe, Russia, and down to Beijing, China, and also in India and Australia. All these places that have people, it'll be drowned, displacing many homes. Up in Canada and the entire Florida.
I can't swim.
It'll get real hot real fast. Since 1880, the average temperature of the world has increased by 0.8 degrees Celsius, and the rate of warming is increasing. Our crops will dry out, so what are we going to eat? But at the same time, it'll get wetter because the ocean water is heated up. Regular weather becomes extreme weather. Hurricanes, tornadoes, and cyclones will form all over the world. Insects will move to cooler northern countries, such as the United States and England, often bringing deadly diseases such as malaria. The extra CFCs in the atmosphere create holes in the ozone layer, allowing dangerous UV rays, particularly UVC rays, to penetrate and attack the Earth. These UV rays can give you a deadly disease known as cancer. Our economy will suffer because it costs billions and trillions of dollars to deal with global warming. We're throwing money out the window. See, Edward? And those are only a few of the consequences of living the way you do. Hey!
Hey is for horses. Ha 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 ha. Meet you on Mars.